Alrighty, so in this video we're going to be translating figures. Translation, remember, is we're just moving the shape, left, right, up, down, moving it in the coordinate plane. And we're using some sort of a rule to do that, and we're expressing that rule using vector notation. We're translating by a vector. And a vector is just a direction and a distance. Okay? So how that direction and distance is expressed is using this notation right here. And this tells us that we're going to move 4 spaces to the right and 0 spaces up. Now, one thing that I don't like about this particular worksheet generator is this parentheses thing. Usually use some different kind of bracket for vectors, just so we don't confuse it with a coordinate pair. But this is what they use, so we just have to keep that in mind. All right, so this tells us to move 4 spaces to the right. This is like the x. It's like the x change and the y change. All right, so in the x direction, we're going to move a positive 4. That's 4 to the right. In the y direction, up, down, we're not going to move at all. So we take B and we go 1, 2, 3, 4. B prime, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. C prime, A, 1, 2, 3, 4. A prime, and we'll connect them. Okay. Next, let's take a look here. This time, this is our change in x, and that's our change in y. -3 means to the left 3 spaces. +4 means up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. S prime, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. T prime, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. R prime, and connect the spots, or the dots. Here, remember this is like our delta x, delta y, our change in x, change in y. So that's to the left 7 and up 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Connect the dots. We've got x prime, y prime, w prime. See you next door. 0, 2. It's like our change in x, change in y. So we're not moving left or right at all, but we already moved 2 spaces up. Up 2, up 2, up 2. Connect the dots, label our points, and we're done. Here again, is our delta x, delta y. That means 2 spaces to the left, 4 spaces down. So let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. G prime, F prime, I prime, H prime. And connect the dots. We're done. Here, our change in x is 0, so we're not moving left or right at all. Change in y is -5, so we're moving down 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect the dots. W prime, V prime, and U prime. All right, let's look at some more. All right, so this is our delta x, delta y, change in x, change in y. This means we go back 2 spaces. We don't go up or down at all. So back 2, G prime, back 2, F prime, back 2, H prime, back 2, I prime, and connect the points. There we go. Here, our change in x, change in y, delta x, delta y. This means to the left 2 and up 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait, no, it's just 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect the dots. G prime, F prime, H prime. Here we've got change in X, change in Y, 5 spaces to the left, 4 spaces down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. L, K, and M prime. Alright, this one says delta X is -1, delta Y is -1, so it's 1 space to the left, 1 space down. So, do that for each of these. This shape isn't moving real far. W prime, X prime, Y prime, V prime. Okay, here we go. This is moving 2 spaces to the right, 5 spaces up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is J prime, K prime, I prime, and H prime. One more, last one. Our change in X is 1 space to the right. Our change in Y is 2 spaces down. Over and down, over and down, over and down. R prime, Q prime, P prime. So pretty straightforward. In your vector notation, the first number tells you what your delta X, or your change in X is. You move that many spaces to the right or left. Right if it's positive, left if it's negative. And your second number, over here, that tells you your delta Y, your change in Y. If it is negative, like this one, you're moving down. If it's, say, positive, like it was here, you're moving up. If your delta Y is 0, you don't move up or down at all. You just move left or right. If your, let's see, it's fine, I think we had one here. If your delta X is 0, you're not moving left or right at all. You're just moving straight up. I suppose if your delta X and your delta Y were both 0, you wouldn't be moving at all. What would be the point in that? Good luck.